Hey guys, yeah, so quick update on these two, the Midas and Blood Parrot pair, now we could call them, because last we checked, they had eggs on that rock. Now if I zoom in closer, and I'm going to try to get this focus for you guys, you'll see wigglers. Let me see if I could focus a little bit. If not, I'm going to zoom in, or I'm sorry, manually focus on them. Let's see here. So that's probably the best focus I could get. But hopefully you can kind of see. I'm trying to get closer here. Hopefully you can kind of see some movement there. Those would be wigglers. Yeah, so turns out they're fertile. Again, I don't plan to breed them or plan to keep the offspring, but who knows if some survive. I may. Kind of a cool pair. Yeah, I would definitely be interested to see what they look like. They're the fry, but not sure if I have the time right now to focus on that. But anyways, just wanted to update everybody on the fact that they're in fact fertile, and there's some wigglers. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.